you see the birds? The birds are back here playing their game. These are the beautiful starlings. Bluebirds with white and brown on the underside. And they are masters at weaving back and forth and in their flocks flying in crazy unique patterns. Recently it was said they fly like helium bleeds out of a balloon, I guess, which is pretty erratic, but all in uniformity of flight on these birds. So I don't know about helium, but I do know these birds come back and dive bomb my front wheels. Turn the corner here, just mowing this field. Here's the geese. All the birds are in this field today. Now I don't see the starlings by my front wheels, which is kind of unusual. They usually follow me around, but I think they'll be back in a few seconds. If not, we'll just see what you think about this video. Looks like they're not coming back. I'm about ready to get out of here anyway, so probably take 2 more swaths down this field, kind of skipping every other one, and I'll be over to the wheel line. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.